Hey everybody, I'm at my buy, sell, and trade shop. Just got through coming from in town, delivering the drink to shrink jugs, and now Miss Sherry, she came all the way from Oxford. I mentioned to y'all yesterday that she was kind enough to be interviewed by me today, and she's going to come on here just for a second, just share with you what her and her husband both have done for the last 3 weeks.
Three weeks.
Yep. And the results of them utilizing the drink to shrink formula and the weight loss drops and my meal plans that I had put out there for them to use to maximize their weight loss. And she had mentioned to me she has PCOS, and she said a lot of women do have that, and it's hard for them to lose weight. So she wanted to come on here and share what about the PCOS and how she had utilized another product, and how this product that she's starting to use with mine is different in helping her with weight loss, because she says it's very hard to lose weight with that condition. Here you go. Thank you so much, Sherry. And she's going to share with you right quick, if you can, just the difference between the don't give the name, but just the other product and what this product is different.
The product that I was taking, I was on it for almost a year. And I never lost weight like I did with this. This I have lost over 20 pounds. My husband has lost 22 pounds.
And that's in 3 weeks.
Yeah, in 3 weeks. So this really works, and it really curbs your appetite. You don't eat as much, and when you are hungry to eat, you eat more of healthier stuff besides what I ate before.
And you're on the drops.
The drops.
And the drink to shrink formula.
Yeah, and the drink to shrink formula.
And your husband's on what?
He's on the drink to shrink formula. And his appetite has really decreased. He says he could go all day and wouldn't eat and wouldn't feel any hunger pains or anything. But now he says, he could go all day, but he knows it's best to eat. But yeah,
every couple of hours.
And I told him, I said, I could tell because his belly's way smaller. Even my son said, "Wow, Dad, your belly has shrunk."
That's awesome when people can actually see that you've lost 20 pounds.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes. I've had 2 people tell me, I can tell you've lost.
Oh, that's so awesome. That is so awesome. Yes.
So I definitely love this, and we're gonna keep going. So. Very excited about it.
Thank you. I certainly appreciate you willing to get on, do a live.
That's right.
And share your testimony. Yep. And if anybody else wants to try the drink to shrink formula or the weight loss drops,
definitely.
If you know Sherry, get in touch with Sherry, okay? Or if you know me, get in touch with me, and I will help you with your weight loss journey. And I have a private weight loss community group on Facebook that you can go in there, and I will help you as an accountability partner and getting your tracking sheet, your meal plans, your grocery list, all that set up for you to maximize your weight loss. So again, look, I hope everybody has a great Sunday, and I will be getting back on here soon. And if you want to lose weight, get in touch with us, okay? Because the products work, right?
That's right. They sure do.
All right. Talk to you soon. And thank you, everybody that has gotten on. I appreciate it. If you can, share the video with anybody that you know that's trying to lose weight. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.